Marahay na banggi po giraray sa satuya gabos. First of all, we would like to express our heartful and thank you to all spending and gather this tonight. This is incomparable joy to us. Maraming salamat po. Anyway, let me start my greetings. Our Jojo's daughter. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby is now a lady. Hindi ko malang napansin, 18 ka na pala. At ako, matanda na! It's already been 18 long years sa walang sawang pasasalamat sa Diyos sa pagbigay niya sa iyo sa amin. I'm so proud to be your mother. We love you beyond measure. And it's an honor to be your parents. It's crazy that you are 18 years old and still can't believe you are mine. We're so proud of you, of everything you're going to be. Again, happy birthday to you, our lovely daughter. May this special day mark the beginning of your journey, filled with love, success, and endless happiness. You deserve the world. May you embrace adulthood with grace, courage, and confidence to chase over your dreams. May good God grant your health, peaceful, and long life ahead of you. Salamat sa pagiging mabuot, asin marhay na aki. Dawa nga ni binayanta ka as teenager, I was remember, you are grade 7. Nahandle mo pa manggiraray din tama ang gagunyan. Salamat ki papa mo, asin sa duwa mong tugang, kay Kuya Rinan, kay Kuya Buito. Sa pag-guide sa imo, dawa uda ako sa kataid mo. Sorry, tauda ako sa piling nindo. Kaipuhantang magsakripisyo. Maabot manggiraray ang aldaw. Mairibanan manggiraray kita. Padagos lang kita sa pangarap. I miss you and I love you so much.